Countdown is on if you haven't filed your taxes yet. Experts say you still have a little time, but that deadline is quickly approaching. And if you miss it, you might end up owing Uncle Sam. With more, here's News 3's Jasmine Shamis.
April 15th for federal and state in Illinois.
The tax deadline is here, and if you're scrambling, don't worry. Even if you're in a time crunch, experts say you can still avoid penalties.
I would say the first thing is that just extend it.
I spoke with Dan Burris, regional manager at Atlas CPAs and Advisors, who says there are some common misconceptions when it comes to late filing.
That's the common kind of thing, like I'm going to get audited if I fill out an extension, it's going to trigger, and that's just not the case.
Burris says it's easier than most people think.
On that form, it has you put your name, address, social security number, and then the rest can be blank. You can just put zeros.
He says that extension would give you 6 more months to file.
Go online, fill out that form 4868 and mail it in. You have until tomorrow at midnight to it's the postmark date, not the receive date by the IRS. So if you get that form in by tomorrow, your return will be extended. And then you have until October 15th, so you have 6 months to file.
There are tons of methods to file your returns, both digitally and in person, but Burris says ignoring the deadline could cost you.
Even if you can't pay, just extend it. Because if you don't extend it, there's a penalty for not filing on time.
Filing sooner is always better, especially if you're due a refund. But if you think you have to pay, experts say timing is everything.
I think the biggest thing is an extension of time to file, not pay. So even if you have a larger balance due and you can't pay at all on April 15th, it's better to pay some than none.
So don't write off your chances just yet. You can still e-file or visit your local tax preparer. That trip could save you a major headache and maybe even a little cash.
And frankly, CPAs like you guys because, gives us more time to do your tax return if you're willing to extend.
For those still needing to file their taxes, the deadline is tomorrow, and if you're mailing it in, it must be postmarked by 11:59 p.m. on April 15th. Reporting from Williamson County, Jasmine Shamis, News 3.